So let's make this daily hair spray and also leave-in conditioner. Clove seed, I'm obsessed with it, which is contain antifungal property. Is really good to promote healthy hair growth and also to it's help with premature graying hair. So I just put it boiled water, leave it overnight, get in soften. And also what I need is the juice, so I don't need the seed in this case. And then I just cut my whole aloe vera and then take all the spiky side away. It is really important how we clean this aloe vera for this method because it's going to be living in daily hair spray for hair growth or deep conditioning, like I said, because aloe vera contain poison. Is really irritating to your scalp if you don't wash it out, guys. I left it half an hour inside the water to soak it out, all that yellow poison coming out from there. Afterward, I just cut it, scoop it out, all these clear crystal, like a crystal. You will see how clean it is when it stay in the water, really wide, as you can see. Scoop it everything and then with this. So I'm obsessed. If you see few of my video, you will know I'm obsessed with clove seed and also aloe vera. That is because, guys, it does work. My god, it does the job. As you can see, look how red and beautiful this is after I left it overnight. You can either spray like this even you don't need aloe vera on its own. Clove seed is really good. And then I blend it all together and then strain it out. Make sure you use thick cotton cloths, guys, because it's going to be aloe vera piece white on your spray when you spray on your daily spray. And then I'm going to add my aloe vera hair growth oil. Actually, people love clove oils than aloe vera oil, but the aloe vera oil still is going to be my favorite oil, but more I get sale on clove oil than aloe vera one. But this bottle is available on my website as well. I finally find that bottle actually is spray properly the gel of aloe vera, because it's not all the bottle is actually come through when you the tube is really thin, so it doesn't come through the gel. This is really thick tube. If you want to get one, it's £6, I believe at the moment. You can get it, or £8 is £6 now. You can get on my website if you need one. So I'm just going to spray it, and then as you can see, my hair is kind of kicky, crunchy. That is because I washed in go yesterday, and then what happened, guys, it rained and then I was under rain, my hair kind of come like you can see. So I'm just going to spray it. It get super soft straight away with this method. I do use often this one. If you are natural girl like me, especially with kinky hair, then this is really good for you. Your hair will go like crazy. As I said, do not wash out this method. I wash my hair weekly, so I keep this one until I wash my hair. So you can either spray on your crown or twist and massage it. Your hair will grow like crazy. The result, guys, will shock you. You won't stop using this method. As you can see, you can now detangle it. Comb me first and then detangle it. You detangle, it's gonna come really curly, fluffy, and then leave it to dry. Or you can twist it or braid it, and then when you braid it, you twist it. When it dry, when you open your hair, it gets super stretchy, really lovely to style as you please. As you can see, I'm going to show you guys how lovely and curly it is when you comb. And then first comb your regular comb, and then just detangle your detangler. It look really lovely, guys. The size of your comb is really important when you come to brush your afro hair. So I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you think this video was helpful, share with your friend, comment, and don't forget to give the thumb up. I'll see you next time. Stay safe. Bye.